You got into Harvard Law?
What, like it's hard?
Picture this. I'm standing at Asia's largest conference for women and non binary people in technology. The youngest speaker at 20. Thinking, how did I get here? Yeah, hang on, let me rewind. I'm Anjali, and in May of 2024, I landed in India with a co op offer and what some might call a crazy vision, empowering students with generative AI and LinkedIn skills.
Hi, my name is Anjali and I'm the founder of Degree to Destiny.
Confident? I was terrified. But sometimes the scariest decisions lead to the best adventures, or at least that's what I like to think. Those first days were a blur of whiteboard sessions and planning documents. I kept asking myself, will anyone even show up? Then came our first breakthrough, the CAN model. Communication, AI, networking. Simple, right? But this changed everything. July 2024, Access College. My first workshop, heart racing, palms sweaty, but the moment I saw those students' faces light up, that hunger to learn, those eyes full of possibilities, I knew we were onto something bigger than ourselves.
We have learned a lot about the importance of LinkedIn and how it can help me in my further journey of my career.
Currently, I have accepted the challenge of 30 days and 30 posts in LinkedIn. So firstly, I continue with that and I like to extend that challenge with Gen AI and using AI apps.
Then came Speak Smart. 100 high schoolers ready to conquer the world. These students weren't just learning, they were transforming.
AI has definitely a significant effect on my daily lifestyle because anything I do, anything I want to know, I get access to that knowledge instantly. AI has the ability to analyze a lot of things which Google or any other search bar can't. So I feel like that's helped me understand concepts over various topics. So yeah.
So one of the things that I found very helpful was how to write a prompt. That's actually something that not a lot of people are aware of, and me being one of them, that was very helpful because I can now get more accurate results. It helps with reducing the amount of time I'm spending on the job, and it just gives much better results. So I have a better work and it's much more productive for me.
Then came MCKV and St. Lawrence School. Each workshop taught me something new, that innovation has no age limit, that curiosity beats credentials every time. They say behind every great vision is a guiding light. For me, that light has been my father, Ajay Ladha. As my mentor and advisor, he has not only shared his wisdom but also helped me navigate the challenges of building Degree to Destiny. His constant encouragement and practical advice have been instrumental in shaping both the journey and my growth as a leader. But here's the thing about dreams, they have a way of expanding. Soon we were at Christ Lavasa, Christ Yashwantpur, Victoria College. Every campus, every student brought their own energy, their own spark. We weren't just teaching generative AI, we were lighting fires of ambition. As our mission grew, so did our team. Sanjay Paul joined as a technology lead, bringing over 17 years of experience working with companies like Infosys and Cognizant. His expertise has been a game changer for Degree to Destiny. Sanjoy is not only building our product, College to Career, which automates the job application process from creating resumes and cover letters to interview preparation, but he's also an instructor in our workshops, inspiring students to embrace technology. By then, we had our website running, our LMS courses live, and something remarkable was happening. Students weren't just learning, they were evolving.
And that podcast we started? Yeah, that wasn't planned. But when you're riding a wave of inspiration, you catch every opportunity to spread the message. And speaking of messages, I wrote a book because apparently sleep is overrated.
Another key addition to our team was Shohini, an expert in video production and learning management systems. With over 20 years of experience across journalism, edtech, and companies like Infosys, her creativity and attention to detail have elevated the way we deliver content and engage learners. Shohini has been a pillar of strength, ensuring every detail aligns with our mission. Then came the Grace Hopper Celebration invite, me talking about how generative AI could revolutionize careers. From there, it was on to BML Munjal in Delhi and Jaipur, KGVIT. What a ride! 6 days, 3 cities. It was a road show. We wrapped up the year with a workshop at the prestigious St. Xavier's School in Kolkata and also Sri Sri University in Bhubaneswar. Our mission wasn't just to teach AI and networking, but to ensure no student was left behind. That's why we targeted Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3 institutions spreading across all parts of the country. Kolkata and Bhubaneswar in the east, Delhi in the north, Kanpur in the center, Jaipur and Pune in the west, and Bangalore in the south. From bustling metropolises to emerging cities, we've connected with diverse student communities, showing that ambition and talent know no boundaries.
We have impacted a total of 2,381 students across 14 institutions, empowering them with generative AI and LinkedIn skills that transformed their professional journeys. The results speak for themselves. Most participants saw a 23 times growth in their LinkedIn connections, turning their profiles into dynamic networking hubs that continue to grow. Our LinkedIn page has also flourished, with over 3,500 posts generated by participants sharing their progress, insights, and milestones. Initiatives like our 30-day challenges have created a ripple effect, inspiring students to stay consistent, creative, and engaged.
But you want to know the real magic? It's watching a student's face when they realize their degree isn't their destiny. It's just their launching pad. When they see how AI isn't just a buzzword, but their secret weapon. When they understand that networking isn't about collecting connections, but building bridges to their future. Looking back, that nervous girl with her whiteboard in May seems like a lifetime ago. But she had one thing right. Change happens one learner at a time. And we're just getting started. So what's next? Well, that's the best part of this story. We're still writing it. And trust me, you'll want to see what comes next. Thank you for being with me.